Good afternoon. I'm Nancy Hatton with Montessori Tide School, and we are doing a segment on Math Works in the classroom. And so last week we talked about these beautiful golden bead material that the children get to first put their hands on for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division problems. And we talked about how the materials are designed so that they are beautiful, which enlightens the child's interest and entices them to want to work with the material. And as we move along, our progression for that is the stamp game. So we'll go from golden beads to this material here that's called the stamp game. And as you can see, unit beads become unit tiles, 1 tiles, and the 10 bars become 10 tiles. The 100 squares become 100 tiles, and the 1,000 cubes become 1,000 tiles. So with this work, it really helps the child internalize the place value and also reinforces their experience with the materials that they had with the golden beads. I showed you an addition problem in the last video with the golden bead material, and I have one set up here for the stamp game. So written is my problem here, and in the beginning we write in the colors, so that also helps the children to be able to coordinate their problem with the materials to the problem on the paper. So in addition, we always put our numbers together, and we always start with our units. And so they just take the materials after they've built their add-ins, and they simply push them together, and then they count to get their sum, and then the child would write their sum under their add-ins. Something that I'd like to mention with these materials in terms of adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing is traditionally you would borrow or regroup. Well, with adding we do regroup, but we call it exchanging. So if your units add up to more than 10, then we talk about how you can trade 10 units for 110. And with that, we also refer back to our golden beads, because they did that with the golden beads. They would trade 10 units for 110 bar, and so on and so forth. So again, with these materials, the beauty for the children is the direct connection from the hand to the mind, and being able to work with the materials as opposed to the rote memorization. They have an opportunity to visualize what is happening and what they're actually doing, to touch and feel the materials. It opens their heart to learning. They get excited about these materials, and it reinforces everything that they've learned before, and each one builds upon the other. Thank you.